Have you ever wished to unlock the full potential of your IPTV Smarters app? Today, we reveal the secrets. Yes, it's time to dive into the simple steps of activating IPTV Smarters with ease and speed. First, you need to download and install IPTV Smarters on your favorite device. It's super quick. Once downloaded, open the app and get ready to start the straightforward yet exciting setup process. Locate the login section, which allows you to enter your credentials for that seamless access. It's as easy as entering your username and password. Boom! You're one step closer to endless streaming. You'll instantly be welcomed by a very user-friendly interface, super easy to navigate and discover. Here's where 2TV.store comes in, offering amazing deals and superior streaming service quality. You'll need the playlist URL or M3U link, which you can get through your provider like 2TV.store. Input the playlist URL, and just like magic, a vast array of channels is right at your fingertips. Explore a sea of television entertainment from across the globe. Unlimited possibilities await you. Get ready to experience TV like never before, cutting-edge viewing right from your seat. IPTV Smarters redefines your expectations of home entertainment, effortlessly surpassing conventional television. Remember, 2TV.store stands out distinctively as the best provider to amplify your IPTV enjoyment. Save time and enhance your experience by using premium services only from trusted providers like them. Join us and embrace the limitless potential of IPTV Smarters today. Ultimate viewing adventure awaits.